Multiply the excitement 7 times while adoring this beauty. Where's the main event? The sound of the river, sunshine peeking through the trees, rocks greeting your steps are more than worthy of your time. This well-kept nature park will shelter your heart in everything beautiful. Hindi mo na kailangan mapagod upang marating ang destinasyon na to. 10 to 15 minute ride from the crossing ng Barangay Labayog NCC Road, mararating mo na ang drop-off point. And in just few steps away, mararating mo na ang napakagandang Antong Falls. Tara!
Bali 120 yung apat. Pag 5, 150. Kapag mag-isa, 120. Kapag sharing, 30-30 each.
Dadaanan po tayo here sa isang mini bridge and it's made of kawayan. And as you can see, napakaraming mga rock formations here. Masasabi mo talaga na bandang dulo may falls. So malapit na po tayo sa main point ng Antong, which is the Antong Falls. Pumunta na dito as early as 7 a.m. para masulit ang 10 pesos entrance fee sa mga activities like swimming, trekking at picnic. Bawal ang overnight kaya pagdating ng 4 p.m. siguraduhin walang naiwanan ng mga gamit at basura para mapanatiling maganda, malinis at kaaya-aya ang Antong Falls ng Barangay Malong.
Tinawag itong Antong pero hindi itong creek na ito, doon sa may palayan. Ang sabi yung matatanda, maraming tanim na saging na nagngangalang kantong. Doon nagsimula ng tinawag na Antong.
Feels like a dream to be surrounded by everything nature has to offer. It's a grand spectacle for the eyes, young or old, to feast. This is Earth's canopy. It's a way of giving you more reasons to live and love this memorable town.